Another useful feature that the Dye Explorer has is that it can sort the list based on any of the spectral properties. For example, let's say you want to select an ATO dye which has the highest lifetime or the lowest emission peak or something like that. So all you need to do is to select the ATO filter, and now you have all the ATO dyes here. And now I can click on, for example, quantum yield, and it sorts the list uh, based on the quantum yield of these dyes. Or I can click on the excitation peak and the list will be sorted based on the excitation peak. The other thing I can do is I can sort the list based on the absorption at a given wavelength. For example, if I click on this checkbox over here, I can use the mouse wheel to change the wavelength here. And as I change the wavelength, it updates for me the absorptivity of these dyes at the given wavelength. For example, if I set it to 497, I can hold down the shift key to increase the wavelength in 1 nanometer steps. And now I can sort the list based on the absorptivity at 497 nanometer. And as you can see, this dye over here has the highest absorptivity. I can do the same thing with emission by clicking on this checkbox over here and changing the value of the emission wavelength and sorting the list based on the emission at this given wavelength.